Model, 66-plate Vauxhall Vivaro 29001.6 CDTI BT 125S, S Florida L1H1 spares OR repairs ULEZ compliant bargain MOTED ULEZ. Body, white, crew cab. Mileage, 132437. MOT, 15 December 2024. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6125 PS BITURBO S, SC. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, runs perfect on yeasy start as there's no boost pressure coming from turbos. We suspect the turbos have seized on the exhaust side. Looking at the turbo condition and boosting left-hand turbo will need replacing. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Bargain of a price to get this ULEZ crew cab on the road. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features